Officer in charge, Police Major Edwin Dito Libas, ikon siya nga maliit lang siya, kulay mo represent niya. So, the hello was in place through leadership of Police Major Dito Libas and the local government unit promote and observe this week drug abuse prevention week, which celebrated nationwide with the theme prioritizing health-based approach and drug abuse prevention and control. This serves as a platform for the government agencies, health providers, NGOs to come together and collaborate our developing strategies to combat abuse in a drug society. By promoting prevention and measure controls, we can make individuals make informed choices, seek help, and then timely reduce prevalent and drug abuse. To this end, Ilongos Municipal Police Station will continue conduct various activities such as symposium, community outreach program in the barangays, school visitations, social media campaigns, as well as anti-illegal drugs operation. Together, we are encouraging everyone the participation of the community and the constituent of Ilongos in order to promote the Ilongos safe and free environment from drugs. With that note, I'm not Ilongos and once again, good morning.